guys, today is the 12th of July, Saturday, and it's past 9. We just finished breakfast and we are heading up the hill, hoping to get some wild boars for tomorrow's meal. Just a quick recap, now we're heading up the hill just to check on one spot there where feeds you what wild boar usually feeds on Tarawau, since it's Tarawau seasons. So we're heading up the hill just to check on spot there. So hoping for the best today. Naka.
Go, 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 go,
I think the dogs have started chasing one pig there. So let's go and check on them. Okay, guys, I just reached the dogs, and lucky I was here on time. If not, they would have tore this small pig into pieces, and I wouldn't have any piece of it. So it was a long road for me. I have to clear some branches while running, and and it's been a long time since I hunt again. So it's not very big, it's a small one, but it's enough for tomorrow. Can always cook it with a roro and lolo, you know, and have it for lunch tomorrow. So right now I'll be most focusing on my way back home. I'm at some place here where I have to So again guys, I've just reached the point where I was resting before the dogs started chasing the pig. So just one reminder, if you trust in your dogs, make sure you rest while hunting. Once in a while you rest so that you have enough energy, because you never know when there will be a chase and you might never caught up with them. So it's important to rest while hunting. If you trust in your dogs, if you know that they will be catching one pig in the day. So that's a reminder for you guys. So I'm heading home now. It's a pig there, just enough for tomorrow. So catch up with you later. Bye.